What do you all think is the biggest benefit or biggest impact of using automation and AI in the co-working space that you're seeing today?
I think broadly speaking, one observation that I've had from working with a lot of operators is that there tends to be a lot of operators that are understaffed relative to the amount of like customer communication that they want to be able to enable on a day-to-day basis, whether that's new leads, existing leads, prospects, and a lot of those engagement points are fairly sort of repetitive talk tracks. And I think that what we're excited about from an AI perspective is how can you leverage agents to perform some of those end-to-end tasks. So a lot of what we think about is kind of stuff at the top of the funnel right now. That's where we kind of initially focused our product. Like the surface area of our product is really around helping educate new leads about your product. But I think if I just kind of think 5 years ahead, I do envision a kind of an end state where a lot of these like recurring talk tracks from new lead acquisition to existing customer management to renewals and payments can be handled by agents that have access to your PMS. They're integrated with your management software, maybe your CRM, and they're actually doing this. And so I think it's a really exciting time to be able to, as you think about adding more locations, to do that without adding more headcount.
I'd echo that sentiment. I think a lot of the operators that we talk to have these wonderful ideas and visions for how flexible spaces could operate, unique products and services that they want to bring to market, a niche that they want to focus on with unique services, amenities, and resources that cater to a particular community. The challenge is many of these operators are working tirelessly and yet leading from behind. And what it comes down to echo Francesco's point, is time and resources to be able to do the things that really make an impact. Focus on brand, focus on partnership, focus on building and designing a really seamless, consistent experience, especially as you grow your business. So I think to the extent where technology is concerned, we think about how do we programmatically take care of those redundant, repetitive, manual tasks, sort of like high volume, low cognitive load tasks. And in some cases with AI, even assist in providing insights to support with completing the tasks, freeing up your time, as well as giving you the insights and data to make more informed business and design decisions. Although the concept of automations and the applications of AI is relatively new for the co-working segment, I think it will certainly be ubiquitous in 2-3 years time at the latest, and really a very powerful tool to enable operators to do more with less, and to really thrive, and to be forward-looking and using the latest capabilities.
I think what we are seeing is that people's expectation with the incoming of AI, are so much higher because they already have these experiences in all other categories that are online. So when I need support, I go on a tool's website and I expect an AI bot to give me the answer. Like if I have to wait for an human to be connected, I'm gonna be real mad. Like during busy hours, the demand and the expectation is so much higher than before. And then what we also see is that it allows you to operate not just multiple locations and scale, but also operate longer hours. So for example, you could open 24/7 still with 1 or 2 people running the space and be fine. So I think extending the offering in either physical locations or like opening hours, I think is a big benefit of AI, making your operations leaner.